Hello and welcome to another MCO update on Bitcoin. We are here on the shorter time frame for Bitcoin, and yeah, the market is pushing a little bit higher, but we're still within the range. I mean, don't get too excited because we're still moving in the range we talked about before. We're in the range we discussed before. It is quite messy. Please be aware of that. And also please be aware of the next resistances that we are about to approach. Specifically here, in this box, the 95,444 level, or let's just keep it at 95,450 or 500, because it's more like a range, not just one particular level. It's more an area around that level. But then we have additional levels above at 96,538 and 97,585 that the market might test if needed. But this would be the next one to crack for the bulls, 95,500. It is likely going to be quite strong resistance. As you can see here, we've got all these previous swing highs that are relevant, and that the price has not, the price was just rejected from that level over the last few days and couple of weeks. And so the question is, what's the pattern? The pattern is very much just being followed at the moment, at least the C wave to the upside we've been tracking. You might remember yesterday I provided here a micro support area between 92,130 and 93,400. I can delete that now, we don't need it anymore, but the price dipped into it and is now recovering. So these are sort of the zones that we can watch on the micro level for reactions. Please understand that everything that's happening here at the moment is part of this local range, and we just need a break above this 95,500 area to break free from it. The problem is, and the risk is, that any rally is just going to break down again. It's at least vulnerable. I want to call it like that. Yeah, it's not guaranteed. I mean, at the moment I'm tracking it as wave C of wave B to the upside, which means this is seen as kind of a corrective rally in this B wave, yeah. But it is not necessarily the case that this has to be a C wave in wave B. It could be something different like the yellow count, but for now I am tracking this as an A wave to the downside. That was the dip on the 28th of April. This here would be an A, B. Yesterday's dip was the B wave, and then we were watching for a C wave. And these are kind of the updates you also get kind of late at night in between videos. If you're a gold member, then this was one of the updates I sent through yesterday. The price is still stuck in consolidation mode, and so on and so on. One more low would be acceptable in white wave B, but you can see here that we were kind of at the end of this B wave, and we're watching for that C wave to the upside already towards those previous highs. And then a little later, I provided an update that the market might form this ending diagonal to the upside, and we were just about to turn around and start the internal C wave of wave 3, which would eventually then, take us towards that 95,500 level, and we are now in that C wave of wave 3 still. As I said, it seems like we could get another 4-5 pattern. So, by the way, in addition to these updates for cryptos, you now also get updates for gold and silver in our gold membership. If you're a Discord member, feel free to check it out. I know a lot of you asked for gold and silver updates, so they are coming through here as well, together with the live charts. Now let's take a look at the live Bitcoin chart then again, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. We want to talk about the Nano structure here. The momentum we see is very much in line with the idea that this could be an internal third wave. So that's still unfolding. I think we caught yesterday the low here with this B wave. And all I can do at this point is just adjust micro support. So that means we have a support area for upside trend continuation, which I'm going to adjust throughout the trading day. And the next pullback could be an internal wave 4, and then we could get a fifth wave up. There would be 5 waves up in wave C of circle wave B to the upside. And then at least I would pay attention to a potential top. But please note, B waves can overshoot, so the B wave can easily break above the Friday the 25th of April high. It's more about understanding this is the support area. As long as we're holding it, we might watch for one more high in wave 5. Now that being said, I think any break below the 50% retracement at 94,460 would already be a first indication that a top of sorts has been made. Now, the easy path of that rally is now done. It was, I don't want to say clear, but it was a probable scenario that we would rally from down here back to resistance, and now we are there. So let's say the high probability element is likely done. So let's see if we can get that additional 4-5 pattern as well. A rejection from this level would be quite likely, but we'll see. I mean, the count shows that we should get another 4-5 pattern, so we might break above that level briefly. And the next upside levels were already mentioned. So yeah, that's the update on Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.